This video is for all the professionals working on the profile of electronics assemblers, fabricators, inspectors, and testers and are willing to migrate to or work in Canada. It will provide you an in-depth knowledge about the National Occupational Classification Code of Electronics Assemblers, Fabricators, Inspectors, and Testers. So, let's start the video.
Hi, I am Smith and welcome to our channel A2Z Immigration Updates. We make informational and latest news videos regarding global immigration. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, so that you can get the most updated immigration news and information. In Canada, every skill profile has a unique code that is called National Occupational Classification Code or NOC Code. This code tells us about the detailed information associated with a profile and regarding the key parameters like profile description or profile lead statements, key responsibility area and main job duties, employment requirements, alternative and illustrative job titles in exclusion. So, first of all, let's see the NOC code and its description for the profile of this video.
The National Occupation Classification Code or NOC code for the profile of electronics assemblers, fabricators, inspectors, and testers is 9523. As per Statistics Canada, the profile description of electronics assemblers, fabricators, inspectors, and testers is as follows. Electronics assemblers and fabricators assemble and fabricate electronic equipment, parts, and components. Electronics inspectors and testers inspect and test electronic and electromechanical assemblies, subassemblies, parts, and components to ensure conformance to prescribed standards. They are employed in electronics manufacturing plants.
Key responsibility area. Human Resources and Skill Development Canada has defined a proper set of job roles for every NOC code. There is not any fixed guideline for meeting all the requirements. As per the recommendation of experts, a person should meet at least 50% of the job responsibilities mentioned in the NOC code. Now let's discuss the key job responsibilities associated with your profile. So, here we go.
Main job duties of an electronics assemblers, fabricators, inspectors, and testers are as follows. Solder and manually assemble various electronic components such as resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, integrated circuits, switches, wires and other electronic parts to designated locations on printed circuit boards. Assemble microcircuits requiring fine hand assembly, the use of microscopes and adherence to cleanroom procedures. Install, mount, fasten, align, and adjust parts, components, wiring and harnesses to subassemblies and assemblies using hand and small power tools. Operate automatic and semi-automatic machines to position, solder, and clean prescribed components on printed circuit boards. May replace defective components and repair and overhaul older devices. Electronics fabricators perform some or all of the following duties. Operate and monitor process equipment including automatic and semi-automatic machines to fabricate electronic components, solder, clean, seal and stamp components and perform other process operations as specified. Set up process equipment and adhere to cleanroom procedures as required. Electronics inspectors perform some or all of the following duties. Inspect electronic components and assemblies to ensure correct component selection and placement, wiring and soldering quality, proper pin insertions, location and diameter of plated holes, breaks in circuitry and line spacing in printed circuit board and other specified requirements while products are being assembled or fabricated. Check final assembly for finish, labeling and packaging methods. Check mechanical dimensions and perform go/no-go electrical tests. Identify and mark acceptable and defective assemblies and return faulty assemblies to production for repair. Collect, record and summarize inspection results. Investigate equipment malfunction and instruct on proper operation. Electronics testers perform some or all of the following duties. Operate various test equipment and tools to perform simple electrical and continuity testing of electronic components, parts, and systems. Set up and operate automatic testing equipment to locate circuit and wiring faults, shorts and component defects. Compare test results to specifications and set parts or products aside for repair or replace components or parts as indicated by test equipment. May conduct live tests, burn-ins, on components, subassemblies, and assemblies. Maintain test result reports.
Employment requirements and other additional information. In this section we will discuss the employment requirements for your profile. Every job has a specific set of employment requirements associated with it. The main employment requirements factors includes 1. Type and level of formal education. 2. Specific training or apprenticeship. 3. Experience in the same or other related occupations. 4. Licenses, certification and registration to practice in a regulated profession, extra. Before moving further, let's understand the employment eligibility requirements and other additional information associated with your profile.
Following are employment requirements for the profile of electronics assemblers, fabricators, inspectors, and testers. Completion of secondary school is usually required for electronics assemblers, fabricators, inspectors, and testers. On-the-job training is usually provided for occupations in this unit group. A 2-year apprenticeship program and trade certification for electronics assemblers are available but voluntary in Saskatchewan. Electronics testers may require post-secondary courses in basic electronic theory, testing techniques, and testing equipment. Electronics inspectors and testers may require experience as an electronics assembler or component fabricator.
Illustrative job titles and exclusions. Every job role or employment can have multiple profile titles. So if you are not able to find the exact job title for your profile, then you need not to worry. Now we will see the list of illustrative and alternative titles for your profile. This section is a list of titles commonly used in the labor market. We will also see the exclusions list, that is the list of titles that cannot be covered under your profile. So let's have a glimpse of it.
Illustrative titles for the profile of electronics assemblers, fabricators, inspectors, and testers are as follows. Capacitor assembler. Circuit board assembler. Component inserting machine operator. Crystal final tester. The list is quite large, so, if you want to read all the alternative profile titles, then you can pause this video and can have a proper glimpse. Now let's see the exclusion list. Assemblers and inspectors, electrical appliance, apparatus, and equipment manufacturing, C-9524. Assemblers and inspectors, electrical appliance, apparatus, and equipment manufacturing. Electrical and electronics engineering technologists and technicians, C-2241. Electrical and electronics engineering technologists and technicians. Electronic service technicians, household and business equipment, C-2242. Electronic service technicians, household and business equipment. Supervisors, electronics manufacturing, C-9222. Supervisors, electronics manufacturing. So, this was all about the profile of electronics assemblers, fabricators, inspectors, and testers with NOC Code 9523.
We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited helps you to migrate to Canada on work permit or on PR. Our motive is to convert your immigration dreams into reality. We assist you in Canadian-style resume and cover letter preparation, mapping the best employment opportunities with your skill set, employment consultation and job search, online skill profile preparation and branding, education credential assessment filing Canada, migration skill assessment filing Australia, expression of interest EOI filing, LMIA, work visa, PR, business visa filing. If you need any further information, then you can contact our team of expert registered migration and employment consultants. Our team will help you to explore the employment, work visa and other immigration opportunities for your profile in Canada and Australia. Click on the booking link mentioned in the description to reserve an expert session for a detailed discussion to explore your immigration opportunities. We also assist employers to file LMIA with Employment and Social Development Canada (ESDC). So if you are an employer in Canada, we can help you to get the best manpower for your company. Canadian immigration is a merit-based immigration process, and your selection under most of the immigration programs depends upon your age, education, experience, English language capability, spouse's educations and experience, employment availability through LMIA, provincial nomination extra. We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited provide a one-stop online platform with all kind of immigration services for our global customers. You can have online consultancy sessions, assessment, application filing and all kind of visa processing assistance by our team of experts. If you want to do a self-assessment and check your eligibility for immigration, then click on the link attached in the description and download our app to do your immigration assessment yourself. Also watch our other videos related to work visa filing and finding a job in Canada from your home country. So, if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the most updated information regarding global immigration. Thanks, and we will meet again with another informative video soon.